Hey, let's have some fun with radical expressions. Let's get radical. Well, really, of course, that's just a silly way of thinking about a radical in mathematics, which involves the square root. So let's do some square root computations and actually see that finding square roots isn't such a problem as long as we think through what we're doing. Let's start with some numerical examples. So let's see if we can actually figure out the value for the square root of 3 over 27. So what do? Well, the first thing we do is realize that within the square root, that fraction is not in lowest terms. If I put it in lowest terms, I would actually see this becomes 1 over 9. Now, what's the square root of 1/9? Well, I've got to think of a number whose square is 1/9. And if we think about it, we see 1/3. And we can check it. 1/3 multiplied by 1/3 gives us the 1/9 inside the square root. So, perfect. Great. There's the value. All set. Good to go. Let's try another example, a little bit more elaborate. Square root of 8 squared plus 6 squared. Okay. Well, there's lots of temptation here, especially if you know that somehow the square root is connected with squaring in some way.